Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And look where I'm at. I'm at Dollar General again. You guys know this is my second home now, right? Well, guys, I have come up with another Dove deal for us. It's not any instant savings, just not any digital coupons from the DG app. We're going to use some fetch rebates, and we're going to use some paper coupons from the Dove website. So what I need you guys to do, if you are not already signed up to receive Unilever, I don't know how you say it, is Unilever. If you're not signed up to receive their coupons and things through email, you want to go do that. So go to unilever.com and sign up to receive their coupons. As soon as you sign up, they're going to send you coupons. So you'll be able to do this deal. So if you want to do this Dove deal and you don't have any Dove coupons, while you're watching this video, go to the Unilever website and sign up. Or you can go to dove.com. It doesn't matter. Either one you go to, you're going to sign up and you're going to get some coupons mailed to you right away. Like, I set an account up for my mom because I wanted to show you guys exactly how you could do it right away. And I say within a minute, she got an email with the coupons. And you can print 2 of the same coupon off of the email, okay? So the other thing you want to do is you want to go to Fetch. Make sure you're signed up under Fetch. And make sure you check your Fetch rewards every single day. The deal that I'm about to do now is a deal that the Fetch rewards just popped the rebate up today. So I was able to come and do this deal for you guys, okay? So what it is, we're going to get some Dove Plus, some Dove Men Plus Care shampoo and conditioner. We're going to get the 2-in-1, and there's no extra things on Ibotta or anything like that, but it's still going to be a good deal. So what you want to do, you want to grab 3 of these Dove. You can get the 2. I'm getting the 2-in-1. That's all they have anyway. Dove 2-in-1. You can get any flavor. It doesn't matter. You're going to get the $5 ones because I think they have the bigger ones. Let me see. You can get the bigger ones if you can find them. But I don't think, I'm looking. No, they don't have the bigger ones. This store doesn't anyway. I know other stores do, but this store doesn't. So we're just going to get these. And anyways, I always go the cheapy route, the least out of pocket anyway. So we're going to get these. I'm going to get 2 of the Fresh and Clean. Or maybe they don't have 2. Oh, nope. So I'm going to get 1 of the Fresh and Clean and 2 of the Thick and Strong. So that's going to be a total of 3 for us, okay? So they're $5 each. So that's going to be $15. And that's exactly where we want to be, at $15. Now, remember I said about going to the Dove website? Hold on, guys. I'm going to move out the aisle because there's a family coming up the aisle, and I don't want to be in their way while I'm on YouTube. Okay, so that's exactly where we want our total to be, exactly at 15. And I'll tell you why in a minute. But remember I told you to go to the Dove website if you didn't have any Dove coupons. We did have Dove coupons in the Unilever Super Saver insert, but they expired on the 13th. So we don't have any more. So that's why I had to print out coupons. So if you go to the Dove website and sign up, or the Unilever website and sign up, they're going to send you this coupon right away. It's save $1 on any Dove product. It excludes the dry spray, antiperspirants, and the travel size. So you can print out 2 of these. Now, yes, we have 3 products. So if you need a 3rd one, then make another account with a different email, and then you can have 3 coupons. If not, then you just have to have 2. But I printed that out because I wanted to show you the coupon that you will get. Now, this is a coupon that they sent me probably about 2 weeks ago. and it's $2 off any 2 Dove Men Care products. So this is an example of the type of coupons that they'll send you. So this will help me with my 3. So I only printed one of those out so I can go back and print another one. And then I printed this old one. So that'd be $3 off my $15 total. Yeah, you might not think that's a good deal. And no, it's really not a good deal. But when I show you what we're about to do, you're going to say, oh yeah, that is a good deal. So you're going to go to your Fetch app. Now, everyone may not have these. And I'm going to show you. So on my one Fetch account, which is my mom's account, I have these 2 rebates. But on my account, I only have this one. Okay, now this one is spend $15 on Dove Men Care shampoo products and get 2,000 points back, which is $2. So that's why I was saying we had to get to $15, and we got exactly to $15. And look, you can do the deal 5 times. Isn't that great? So we'll have 4 more times to do this. And I'm going to do it at CVS too, because I want to show you, because it has an extra buck deal. And plus, I'm going to use the expired coupons at CVS. So we're going to get another $2 off. So now we're at a total of $5 off. And then the second offer that Fetch has for us is this one, which is 1,750 points for each one. Drop that 0. That's $1.75 off. And look, you could do that one 5 times. So you have until the 16th to do this deal. And then you have until the 16th to do this one. I don't know if they're going to extend them or not. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But if I was you, I'd go ahead and get them done before the 16th, just in case they don't extend them. So we're going to take these 3 doves. We're going to head up to the register, show you what I'm going to pay out of pocket. We're going to submit our receipt to Dove, because we're going to get more than just those points that I showed you, because Dove's going to give us extra points for buying the products, and then we'll see what our out of pocket is. So we're going to head up to the register, and while I'm heading up to the register, you can be creating your Dove account, your Unilever account, to get your coupon. Okay guys, so let's go over this receipt. So the coupons are still not scanning at my Dollar General. I don't know what the problem is, but that messed my entire transaction up. So I still wanted to go over it with you guys, even though it was an epic fail. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out and the way I calculated it. I mean, it's still a good deal because I'm still saving. But I'm just disappointed because these coupons are not scanning at the register. This has been going on for like, I don't know, like 5 days, and this is ridiculous. So here you see, I got the 3 doves like I showed you in the cart. They were each $5. So you see here, she had to take $2 off one of them because the $2 coupon wasn't scanning. And then she took the $1 off the other one because that coupon wasn't scanning. She said coupons have not been scanning since like Friday. And this is the manager. So this is crazy. So I paid $12 at the register, which is what I was supposed to pay. And you know, we don't talk about cents. But the reason why it was an epic fail, because everything came out right as far as my total at the register. But when I scanned my receipt into Fetch, it looks as if though the Fetch that I only paid that I only bought $12 worth of stuff instead of $15 worth of stuff. So as a result, where I was supposed to get the $15 for, I mean, the $3 for spending $15, I didn't. It says that I'm $3 away because she had to manually take those coupons off. So I just wanted to show you guys. So if you're in the same situation I'm in, you're not going to get that $3. But I did get my $1.75 for each one of the Dove products because that wasn't a spend threshold that I had to meet. And I got 50 cents, 40 cents, and 30 cents. I mean, 50 points, 40 points, and 30 points for those. So I got a total of 5,370 points, which is $5.30. When you subtract $5.30 from $12, then I paid a total of $6.70. So that's like $2 and like 23 cents for each dove. So it's still a good deal because it makes them like 50% off, but it could have been much cheaper. So just wanted to show you guys, but I am going to make a video because I'm going to do this same deal at CVS. So stay tuned. And as always, until the next time, keep on saving.